To begin with, let's introduce the two platforms in question, Freedom24 and Robinhood, both of which are popular online trading platforms. Freedom24 is a European-based platform that offers a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, ETFs, and bonds, while Robinhood is a US-based platform known for its commission-free trading model. First, consider the fees associated with each platform. Robinhood is known for its zero commission policy, making it an attractive option for frequent traders. On the other hand, Freedom24 charges a small commission on trades, but offers more comprehensive research and analysis tools. Next, think about the types of investments you want to make. If you're interested in trading US stocks, Robinhood might be the better choice, as it offers a wide range of US-listed securities. However, if you're looking to diversify your portfolio with international stocks or bonds, Freedom24 might be a better option. Another important factor to consider is the user interface and mobile app. Both platforms have user-friendly interfaces, but Robinhood's app is often praised for its simplicity and ease of use. Freedom24's platform, on the other hand, offers more advanced features and customization options. In terms of account types, Robinhood offers a simple, no-frills brokerage account, while Freedom24 offers a range of account types, including individual, joint, and IRA accounts. Ultimately, the choice between Freedom24 and Robinhood depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're a frequent trader looking for a low-cost, user-friendly platform, Robinhood might be the better choice. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive platform with a wide range of investment options and advanced features, Freedom24 might be the way to go. It's also worth considering the regulatory environment and security of each platform. Both Freedom24 and Robinhood are regulated by reputable authorities and have robust security measures in place to protect your investments. In conclusion, when choosing between Freedom24 and Robinhood, consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and trading frequency. By weighing the pros and cons of each platform and considering your individual needs, you can make an informed decision and choose the platform that's right for you.